What's up, YouTube? My name's Alex. I'm gonna show you how to put an AFC pinout controller. It's not really that hard. It's just power, which is red, ground, which is black, green is RPM signal, and then yellow is map input, and then white is map output. So for the power, it's A11. It's right here. I think that's no, it's not yellow. It's white and black, and then all you do is just splice into it. And then right here is 820 and 820. There's two of them. They look alike, but it's the bottom one, the green and yellow. Both of these are green and yellow. That is for RPM signal. All you gotta do is splice into that one. For the map sensor, for the wires, the input and output, you go to D3, and the color of it is, let's see, red. Yeah, red and green. Then you cut that wire apart, and then for the, let's see, to go to the chassis, the white one is the input. This one goes to the chassis, and then the other one, which is the output, goes back to the ECU, which is the yellow one. And then, let's see, lastly for ground, which is that black wire, you could choose two grounds. You choose either D11 or D12. They're both the same color. It's green and white. Let's see, just turn this on like that. And now you can kind of see it. It's better at night, but yep, everything looks all good.